Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to stop a beeping alarm on a Honda CR-V. This will be a full tutorial with easy instructions. Let's get right into this instructional video. So once again, the topic of this video is me showing you and telling you specifically how to stop a beeping alarm on a Honda CR-V, like the one that I'm sitting in right now. This will be a full tutorial with easy instructions. So let's get into this full tutorial with easy instructions. Okay, so if you want to stop your beeping alarm on your Honda CR-V, it's beeping, it's beeping, it's beeping. This is a full tutorial with easy instructions. Let's get into this, and I'm not going to say that title again. I've said it already 3 times. I'll say it one more time just for fun, okay? The topic of this video is I'm going to show you the easiest way, specifically for showing you and telling you how to stop a beeping alarm on a Honda CR-V, and this will be a full tutorial with easy instructions. So, easy instructions. Let's make it super easy. And the only reason, sorry that I said that title 5 or 6 times, I just, I'm filming a lot of videos, so I'm trying to keep my mind straight, okay? So essentially, I saw a couple in a parking lot, and their CR-V was beeping non-stop over and over again, and they didn't know how to turn it off, so I showed them this method, and it worked. And obviously, because I have a CR-V, I'm sitting in it right now, so I figured that I'd make a video about it because maybe there's other people out there that don't know how to stop their beeping alarm. So if your CR-V alarm is beeping, first and foremost, how do you stop it? On your key fob, there's an unlock button. You're going to press that unlock button. If you press that unlock button and you're within range, you should stop the alarm if it works properly. And if your key fob battery is dead, that's a little bit different, but most likely your key fob battery is going to be working, so you're going to push the unlock button, and that will stop the beeping alarm, okay? Now, essentially, why is the alarm going off? The alarm is going off because it thinks that there's someone in your car that's not supposed to be there. This can happen if you leave your windows down and you push the unlock button inside the car after you've locked it with the key fob. Let's say you have your windows down, you leave your partner in the car, your spouse in the car, right? You lock the car. They realize, oh wait, I want to get out of the car. They unlock it from the inside. The car thinks that someone reached in and unlocked the vehicle. And essentially that's why it's going to be beeping. So how do you prove that there's no problem? Well, you have the key fob, you push the unlock button on the key fob, and that's going to prove that there's no problem. So that's basically it. You push the unlock button on the key fob. Or you can start the vehicle, and I believe that will turn it off too. But most likely you're going to be frantically panicking when it's beeping so many times. So push the unlock button on the key fob and it will turn off the beeping alarm. And that's it. Once again, sorry that I said the title like 5 times, but I'm filming a lot of videos today in a row. And I'm trying to keep my mind straight. So, when I go through a video, I want to know what it's about. And yes, I have my titles written down, obviously on a piece of paper. I make notes for all my videos, believe it or not. So I just wanted to make sure I have what I'm explaining straight. And, yeah, basically, that's basically it. So yeah, sorry for saying the title like 5 times, but, at least you knew what the video was about before we started it. And that's it. How to stop a beeping alarm on a Honda CR-V, a full tutorial with easy instructions. Stop your beeping alarm simply by pressing the unlock button on the key fob. So I told you how to stop it. I told you why the alarm would be going off. And yeah, that's it for the video. Hopefully you enjoyed the video tutorial. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. And sorry, I just want to say one last thing. Hopefully you like my simplistic videos. I'm trying to do a lot more quick simplistic videos, more specific, more niche videos. I did a lot of broad videos and niche videos, and I feel like I've covered so many of the broad topics that I'm like running out to a certain degree. So I'm trying to film lots of these niche videos. Yeah, if you want to see more CR-V videos, just stay tuned because I got lots more planned. I've already done many, but I still have lots more planned. So hit the subscribe button. But that's truly it. Sorry that it ended up being a 4-minute video. I could have probably squeezed it into like a minute and a half, but yeah, I rambled on. It is what it is. It's what I do sometimes. Anyways, we're gonna finish it now. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.